Alright, what's happening, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. I just want to check out the MyRadar app for fun, see what's going on in the United States today, in terms of radar, and in terms of temperatures, and fires, earthquakes, that sort of thing. See if anything unusual is happening. Let's see here. I got the high def radar on, and how's this? No, I'm not going to do the stations today. Got the high def radar on, and then we're going to do. Oh, there's more settings for that. Let's see. Storm centers. Lightning is on, and yeah. So we got that. We're going to leave it on the high def radar for now, and just kind of see what's going on in the contiguous United States today. We got so it's kind of a storm system going through Florida, and I think it's kind of gone. Like it's early afternoon here, early afternoon in the United States. It's gone through Florida, and it looks like maybe there's some patches on the east coast of Florida that got some rain. I'll see if we got some precipitation other places in the United States. Right now, there's not a whole lot of precipitation. Fairly clear weather. Yeah, not much really. There's what we got? Nothing really. Nothing. Not a whole lot of. Yeah, just not too much precipitation. Let's look at. There's some precipitation in Hawaii. If you're in Hawaii, you got this huge storm system that looks like it's kind of following the winds, and you see the winds going north. And so there's particularly the big island in Hawaii, and this other island here. That's got yeah, and then there's more to the south of Hawaii and to the southwest. Yeah, and then we'll go look at Alaska. See if there's any storms there. And there isn't much. It's interesting. I like one other thing to look at. Let's look at the wildfires. So there's different ways to look at the wildfires. You can look at is significant only reported by a federal, state, or local agency. And it looks like it's like a recliner or something. But actually, and then you can go hotspots, infrared satellite measurements of suspected wildfires and hotspots. So all these like little these orange and kind of yellowish or red dots are suspected wildfires, hotspots. But then you can remove the significant only, and then you get a whole bunch more fires. So it looks like if you're a firefighter, if you're wanted to be a firefighter, you're not going to be out of work anytime soon. There's fires all over the place that are reported. So anyway, I got that. Let's remove the hotspots. Remove the wildfires. We'll look at air quality. Sometimes air quality takes a minute to turn up. Moderate air quality is in the yellow, and then also in the yellow over here. Some blotches of yellow there. Blotches of yellow here, and in California, and in Arizona, and What else can we look at? Look at power outages. Wow, quite a bit of power outages up in Ohio and into Pennsylvania, parts of New York, parts of Michigan. And power outages in western Montana. Some power outages in Washington, Wyoming. I believe that, I think that red spot is power outage. I don't know for sure. Yeah. So the red spot's power outage. And there's some power outages, kind of random locations around the United States. And then we got what else we want to look at? Let's look at the temp map. So we got temps 85 in Miami, Phoenix 81, Los Angeles 74, Portland 47, Montana looks cold, Cody, Wyoming 45, Great Falls of Helena, Montana is 22 right now. They got some cold temperatures in Montana today. St. Paul 32. St. Louis 59. Chicago 36. And New York 53 today. Let's look at the temperatures over in Alaska and Hawaii. I got 16 in Dead Horse, 11 in Anchorage, minus 11 in Fairbanks. Wow. 19 in Juneau. Hawaii, it's mostly in the 70s on the islands in Hawaii. And anything else? What else can we look at? I'm back to high def. Let's look at the satellite. Oh, this turned up quick today. Satellite view. So those are the clouds. There's a lot of clouds in the northern part of the country, and also in the western part of the country. Clouds over East Coast, and then the Northeast. But much of the country doesn't have many clouds. Clouds over Florida as well. Now look at Alaska. It looks like it's cloudy all throughout Alaska today. And then we'll look at in Hawaii. Yeah, cloudy over Hawaii today as well. Alright, I think that's all we're going to do today. Yeah, not nothing too major. Nothing too crazy today. Have a wonderful day.